Diffit is a free classroom resource that you can get online. This is how I use it in the classroom to quickly differentiate resources for students in an art and design classroom at secondary level. In this quick demo, I'm going to show you how I can take a YouTube video by copying the link and pasting it into Diffit. Diffit then differentiates materials that I can use in the classroom for any stages in the secondary. So click on the YouTube link and then go to your YouTube and copy the URL link into your copy and paste bar so that you can then transfer this copy link into the Diffit. My favourite thing about Diffit is you can select the year group and it will then tailor your resources to meet the levels of work for those children. Similarly, you can paste the same video in and request a different level of work, and it will do exactly the same but show a more differentiated course of work if, for example, you were to put in a lower key stage. The best thing from a teaching point of view is this bar loads up and within less than a minute you have a handful of resources that you are able to use in the classroom. It creates an adapted reading passage, so this is taking the language from the video and putting it into language that is suitable for the key stage in which you have selected. It will create a short summary of the video that you've put in. It also produces key vocabulary that has been used in the video with definitions that are suitable for the key stage of the learner that you've asked for. The green bar allows you to select all of the activities. The thing that I also like a lot about this platform is that when you create your resources, you are able to download and save them free of charge, so that you're not having to pay to download them. Or also what some of these apps do is you have to save your work and you can only save it to their platform, but this allows you to save via Microsoft or via Google, so it's really user friendly. It also allows you to save the work, which then means that you can go in, especially if you save it as a Google file or as a PowerPoint, you're then able to go in and edit this in any way that you feel suitable to meet the needs of your learners.